Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to delete alarm clock on OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the digital clock on your OPPO A5s mobile phone to proceed to alarm clock. And okay guys, here below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete the alarm clock in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, all you have to do is click or go to alarm. And okay guys, here now you can see the alarm time. And okay guys, here you can turn off the alarm time by switch off the switch button on the right side. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete the alarm time. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the edit on the upper right side on your screen. And now you can see the negative sign on the left side of this time. And okay guys, you'll have to do to remove the alarm time or alarm clock in your OPPO A5s mobile phone is click the negative sign on the left side. And you can see the delete icon on the right side. Okay, you'll have to do is click the delete icon to delete the alarm time or alarm clock. And okay guys, that's it on how to delete the alarm clock on your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.